Lezi izindaba zethembisa online. Right ake sikubingelele sikwamukele sawubona igama lami ngingumfanelo uphenye ibheshu ngingwakwaZanibe isibongo. Sikwethulela izindaba konke okwenzekayo endaweni yaseThembisa, Ivory Park, Rabbe Ridge nezindawo ezisungezile. Sikwethulela umbiko lapho sithi khona uMasipala ngaphansi komkhandlu udolobha waseKuruleni usuzeke walivula ibhuloho elihlukanisa indawo yaseWinnie Mandela Zone 2 kanjalo nendawo yaseHospital View khona lapha endaweni yaseThembisa. Baningi abantu abazobonakala ke bekuthakasela ukuvulwa kwaleli ibhuloho ikakhulukazi ke nabantu beimoto. Lizosiza ke kakhulu njalo lokhu ke lisemgaqweni uFlint Mazibuko Drive nokuthi ke lehliseke umthamo weimoto kwezinye ke zeingxenye ke zeindlela ezikhona la endaweni yaseThembisa. Leli bhuloho ke bayalazi ke abantu abaningi ngokuthi ke kuye kusheshe kufikeke kalula uma ngabe ke bephuthuma ngisho ke nasesibhedlela. Kanti ke ake sikhulume ke nabo sibone ukuthi lokhu ke ngabe kuhambe kanjani.
So today we are here to say that era of disconnection is actually over. Today we are here to celebrate that the convenience that we'll be bringing to the people of Thembisa. So the city of Ekurhuleni has not merely patched up the past, but we have committed to a full and structured reconstruction. And while we celebrate the reopening of this road today, it must be clear that our work in this corridor is far from over. Not far from here, there is a Muntu Bridge, which face similar challenges, structural challenges during that road. So we're pushing for completion of the Muntu Bridge, and we'll ensure that soon we also hand it over back to our communities. In the meantime, we've put up a pedestrian bridge there so that it can connect abantu base Mteung and abantu base Muntu. So even here, we're continuing, to do the final touch-ups. But while we're doing that, we felt we must open the bridge officially so that the traffic can then continue to flow. So this is a high quality, as you can see, the bridge. This is not a compromise. This is proper quality that we've actually delivered, and it's got modern enhancements. It has cost about 25 million rands. 25 million. Proper structure. You can actually see, what is here. And that 25 million has also benefited some of the locals. About 6 small, medium enterprises participated in this project. Of the 25 million, at least 7.5 million we know it benefited locals. And about 12 local workers worked in this bridge, transferring the much-needed high-quality skills that will allow local contractors in the future to actually, also compete and be able to perform this good work. So it's a skill for the community, so that the community, they themselves, can actually participate in future projects.
Right, njengalokho ke sikuchazele uzwile ke futhi ke nezinkulumo ezethuliwe njengalokho ke kuvulwa ngokusemthethweni ibhuloho leli ke ela ku Flint Mazibuko Drive elihlukanisa indawo ke yase Hospital View kanjalo nase Winnie Mandela. Kuningi ke ukukhuluma okwamanje sizothi ake sigoqe kahle naye ke umhlonishwa umeya womkhandlu udolobha waseKuruleni. Mhlonishwa, asibonge kakhulu. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi kusuka ngonyaka ka2021 kuze kuzoba namhlanje kunemibuzo ephendulekayo.
Mangisho ngithi ngijabule kakhulu namhlanje, and I'm sure when I deliver good news to abahlali baseThembisa, lokho kuyangijabulisa, because we must not always all the time siba at loggerheads. So lokho ke ngithe mangikhethwa nguma umeya nge-11 zika April ngo2024, about a year and 8-9 months ago. Ngaza eThembisa nge-9 zika May besila. Saba nomhlangano omkhulu saxoxa nabantu, saya eThembisa eMhlaring saxoxa nama stakeholders. Sathi we're going to step up the package of services esiziletha la ekhaya. And amongst those bokuyile bridge le block abantu ba complain ukuthi block since lamuka nezikhukhula ngo2021 baxoxa lokho bemeetingini yembizo nabahlali nge9 zika May eMitlharing Stadium senze commitment ukuthi no sizoyi deliver le bridge nako kwesi deliver nayo ke bridge 25 million rand or 30 million rand deliver the bridge here, and this is a strong bridge that will stand floods. Because one of the problems is that Masenzama bridge, then there's a huge floods. Flood, they wash away the bridge. Marale izoma nje ime inkinsela yebridge le esiyenzela. Mangisho ke ngithi this will go a long way ukuthi abantu bangene hospitali, bangene nje kalula, baphinde futhi ngesikhathi rush hours antambama. Kanjalo. So this is a huge relief, for the communities of Tembisa. This is value for the hard money abantu base Tembisa bayibhadala because every day nabe windwini bayobhadala lapha kanzima. Mela babhadale bazi ukuthi there's delivery.
You also spoke about umhlomulo or ngathini a benefactor of small businesses of a 7 million. Tell us about that.
7.5 wale kontraka usele la eKhlaleni about 6 yama company ama SMMEs aphuma khona la eKhlaleni a benefitile which much needed skill. So kusho ukuthi in the future sebenzisa sokune skill manje sokwazi ukuthi high quality skill abantu bakithi bakwazi ukuthi bafake yabona la imisebenzi paving lo is a tar road is the bridge itself. So there's a lot of things that happened here. About 12 workers aba benefitile. So sijabula kakhulu ukuthi it's not just about the bridge that comes with the company, but it's about the skill that we're actually living here in Tembisa. Ngithi leke iFlint Masibuko ngizokubiza futhi siye kuphi eMunzu so ivula nayo le bridge ngizokubiza futhi siye multipurpose center lapha we've fixed it sizonikeza futhi abantu basethembisa abajimayo abakwi arts abakwi abafuna guidance yama career bazoya lapha nje futhi sikuthanda kakhulu ukuthi ngicele uCity manager ngathi ngoba since kwacha ibuilding lapha abantu bethu bayahamba bayekudeni bayewini once sesifixile ke naleya sizoyenza nje istation ezithize kwenzela ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi uthole nama services khona lapha eduze. What it means abantu base bangale ward 14 abase ward 90 and so forth ewini ke kudeni bazakwazi ukuthi baye endaweni ekeduzane okwesikhatshana as a temporary measure. I'm saying there's a package of other reports, beautiful work that we are doing. We're doing this work for the people of Tembisa.
The parliament has been opened and also the legislature in Gauteng. What can we expect from Ekurhuleni?
Next week. Ayilanga elikhulu kakhulu eKurhuleni so besikhuluma ke si reporter back kubahlali ukuthi what is the state of affairs, because there's a lot of good things that is happening in Ekurhuleni beyond ukuthi siyophuma kumadlanga beyond other things nje ezingalunganga and so forth, but there's a good story that we must talk about, but also we must focus our work kuma repairs and maintenance, because abantu bakithi bathi repairs and maintenance so ama operations wethu want to step up, want to make sure ukuthi nje a basic thing like road marking, upenda nje umgwaqo, ukususa utshani, ungasayanga nasemathuneni just to cut the road, ukuvala ama potholes. All those things are things that our people, they want us to quickly attend to them. And that's what we'll be emphasizing in the State of the City's address next week. We are invited, another big announcement.
Njengamanje sinayeke lapha onguyilunga lemeya yomkhalidolobha waseKurhuleni omusha sha from the box, MMC for Roads and Transport. MMC Mnguni asikubingelele ubingelele umphakathi waseTembisa.
Nyabonga Bhuti Mfanelo, ngibingelela umphakathi waseThembisa wonkana okhulumayo MMC Lindiwe Mnguni, o responsible for roads and transport ekuruleni.
Siyazi ukuthi ke akukudala ukhona ofisini and congratulations.
Nyabonga Bhuti Mfanelo.
Namhlanje kwenzeka umsebenzi omkhulu kangaka kuzovulwa ibhuloho, ngabe kuwe ne department yakho kusho ukuthini inyathelo efana nalezi?
No, it's a big achievement in terms of department to as Sizwile executive mayor when akhuluma to say this bridge since 2021, but ithathe isikhathi due to ama processes also nemvula nayo is affected kakhulu in terms of delaying. But when Ngizal, I think 2 weeks back to check in terms of readiness, everything was in order. As Nibona Nan today, we are so happy as a department to see progress in terms of Fleet Mazibuko Bridge. Yes.
Mhlambe ke siyazi asike sakubona lokhu uqalile uMMC khona la nihambela khona niyalenze ukuthi ne-environment niyakwazi ukuyinakekela. Siyazi ukuthi ke futhi kunenye project eqhubekayo ngapha ngasemuthu, ikuphi singakulendela?
No, yes, you are correct, Mfanelo. Since ngenile office, my first visit was to check ama bridge lanka akhona around Itembisa, and the second one it's Muntu Bridge is a progress. Okwamanje I won't say anything in terms of ukuthi ngavulwa nini, but umsebenzi nayo uhamba kahle, uhamba according, no disturbance, nje yonke into is smooth on Muntu Bridge.
Important stakeholders bonile abamatekisi Santaco Telta bebe khona la kubaleke kangakanani ukuthi ke sikwazi ukubabona eduze kwenu?
Yo, kubaluleke kakhulu because of those are the most important stakeholders in terms of ekuruleni, but it was a meet and greet meeting, and ngisazoya kwamanye futhi ama taxi association to meet nabo and greet, then after we can plan ukuthi moving forward sisebenzisana kanjani, because of into ebalekile we must have a relationship between us umasipala nawo ama stakeholders, especially abo baba bethu abakwi taxi industry ne lontuzane ne BRT yethu. We are in a progress in terms of building a strong relationship.
MMC, thank you so much.
Siyabonga kakhulu Mfana.
Ke a dumedisa setjhaba sa Winnie Mandela le setjhaba sa ka Moville. Ke nna mme Maria Mokoena, Winnie Mandela Zone 2. A wanele ke thabile bana besho, ke thabile go feta lentswe le uwe ka gore ke ta kgona go ya sepatele ka maoto, ke ta kgona go jima, ke a leboga, ke leboga menagano.
Mama le kutlaga?
Hey, ke mme Virginia Mphela ka mo Winnie Mandela Zone 2. Hey, na re leboga modimo banna, modimo o kileng wa tsa keng ya ba le motho a ileng a tla ba thoma bridge ya ba e fetša, because ke khale re lebeletse ntse o ngwapiwa o sa fele. So re leboga modimo, re leboga le motho wa dirileng gore be fihle mo, gobane ke matla morena modimo le botlhale ba berekileng ka bona mo ke ba morena modimo. So re a leboga, re leboela le yona view hospital view ra e lebogela. Ke khale re sokola re tsamaya ka maoto re wa tsa keng bjala ane le re no tseba rao ke namela taxi mo gate e wempya mo gate a ke sa sokola.
Ezindabeni zethembisa online ngingumfanelo uphenyi ibheshu wakwaDzanibe. Imsindo nezithombe siqophe ebhlohweni elihlukanisa indawo yaseWinnie Mandela kanjalo ke nase Hospital View, kanti kangihambi ngedwa ukhona uDerek Phukela short by Hauser kanjalo ke nobanele uBrazo wakwaSonto.